Maha Cartoon TV.
Witch Who Sings. There was a dense and terrifying forest near some village, and a witch who sang beautifully resided in that jungle. She used to sing so melodiously that the villagers used to get hypnotized on hearing her voice. But whoever would enter that dense jungle following the witch's voice would never come out of that jungle. It was as if people would just disappear. One day, one of the villagers went past that jungle.
I have to immediately pass this jungle. Who knows when would that witch start singing in her melodious voice?
He could hear the voice of the witch.
I am so beautiful. I am a pretty girl. Come to me, come to me, come to me.
And as that man heard the song, he started to follow the direction of the song and went inside the jungle. And like this, he kept walking, went deep inside the jungle, where he had an encounter with the witch. And when that witch saw that man, she said,
Oh, at last you're finally here. I'm gonna eat you now.
No, please don't eat me. I admire your singing, and that's how and why I came here. You sing beautifully.
Yes, I know. And I sing so that idiots like you keep falling in my trap. And I can feed myself. And look at you, stuck in my trap.
and like that witch ate that man. And when the villagers got to know about this incident, they felt pretty bad for that man, and eventually called a saint to their village to seek help from him to get rid of that witch. Just when a woman said,
Saint, please help us in getting rid of the singing witch. We are fed up with her now.
Yes, Saint, that wicked witch sings in her melodious voice, and whoever lets that voice control him, he start to walk in the direction of the voice, and he never returns because she eats him up.
On hearing the villagers, that saint said,
Yes, even I have heard of this witch who sings, and there is only one way to deal with this wicked witch.
What way is it, Saint?
That's only possible if someone sings even more melodiously than her, or else make her lose in the musical knowledge, and this is the way all her powers would vanish, and after that she won't be able to cause any harm. But Saint, tell us something. How would we able to confront that creepy witch? There is no one in our entire village who sings better than that witch. This is the only way you have. She can only be doomed once she will lose in a singing battle to someone. And yes, no one can help you on that. She cannot be defeated otherwise.
Saying this, that saint left from there, and the villagers were left in this dilemma as to how they can get rid of that wicked witch who sings forever. But even though there were so many people in the village, they couldn't find one person who sings better than that witch. After that, the villagers dropped the plan to combat that witch. And since then, one or the other person went missing from the village. But the villagers couldn't do anything in their defense. And one day, Komal and Kanish came to the village from the city to visit some of their relatives. And Komal asked one of the village women,
Can you please guide us? Where can we meet Bhola uncle?
Are you talking about the Bhola who lives in the post office lane?
Oh yes, exactly that one.
Oh, I'm sorry, but the singing witch ate him.
What? What did you say? The witch who sings. Who's that?
Oh, brother, I guess you know nothing. There's a witch who lives in the jungle near our village who sings melodiously. And if someone hears her singing, they get possessed with her voice and go inside the jungle where that wicked and witty witch eats that person.
Listening to that woman talk, Komal and Kanish got super shocked and didn't believe, and so they moved ahead. And after staying in the village for some days, they eventually realized that what the women was saying about the witch who sings was true. And now, even they were thinking ways to get rid of that witch. And so, Komal said to Kanishk,
We should do something. The villagers are suffering way too much.
Komal, you are absolutely right. But you tell me, what can we do?
I have an idea. And if you will help me, we can help the villagers together.
Idea? What sort of idea? Tell me about it.
Komal made Kanishk understand everything, and after that, both of them got 2 bottles of water. As per their plan, they filled one bottle with red color and the other bottle with red juice. And both of them walked towards the jungle. And as they went a little deep inside the jungle, they heard a song in a melodious voice, which attracted them.
Whoa, nice. What a sweet voice it is. Nice.
The witch sang in a soothing voice, which attracted them, and they had an encounter with the witch who sings. And the witch laughed.
Two prey in one go. What? It'll be fun eating you both. What? You're going to eat us? No, I don't believe it. You can't do that. You sing so beautifully. You can't be harsh. I sing only to trap idiots like you and eat you.
Fine, but you have to compete with us before that. And if you win, then you may eat us. But if we win, then you would lose all your powers. Do we have a deal?
You ordinary humans? You would defeat me, huh?
So does that mean that you're afraid to lose against us in the battle?
I don't fear anyone. And if you guys won the battle, then count me in.
Now the witch had fallen in the trap that was laid by Komal and Kanishk. Kanishk took the juice bottle out from his bag and said,
Wait, Witch, please let us first drink some juice. This will make our voice even more melodious. We will sing even better in the rhythm.
Saying this, Kanishk drank half of the bottle and Komal drank the other half. And seeing all of this happening, the witch said,
Huh? What's that juice?
Huh, what would you know about the taste of juice? The one who drinks the blood. Anyway, the juice is for humans and we drink it before we sing, so that our voice gets better and melodious, so that we sing beautifully.
If that's the case, then I also need to drink the juice.
Okay, fine. We have one extra bottle. You can drink if you want.
No, this is my bottle of juice and I'm not gonna share it with you. Listening to this, the witch got aggressive and said,
Just shut up and pass me the bottle, or else I will eat you without any battle.
Komal, please don't get so stubborn. Let us just share this juice.
And then both of them gave the witch the bottle with the red color from the bag. And the witch gulped down the entire bottle in one go and said,
Yes, and now show me what you got. Start singing.
After that, Komal started to sing a song.
She grew up. Lily was a little girl.
The witch really liked Komal's voice and her singing. And after that, Kanishk sang a song.
Na-ra-na, na-ra-na, na-ra-na.
The witch liked Kanishk singing as well. And after that, the witch started to sing a song.
Who's that sexy thing I see over there? Oh damn, what has happened to my voice?
But the witch wasn't singing well. And then, gradually she loses her voice only. And now, she can barely speak anything. She tried multiple times, but neither could she sing, and nor was she able to speak anything. And eventually, she gives up. And as soon as the witch gives up, all her powers vanishes. And the villagers are now grateful to Komal and Kanishk to help them get rid of the terror of that witch who sang. After that, they left for the city happily.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment. And to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.